Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost engagement or increase sales on your Wix website, one fantastic strategy is offering coupon codes to your visitors. Today, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to create a coupon code right inside your Wix site. By the end, you'll know how to set up personalized discounts that are easy for your customers to use, and you'll have another great tool to help grow your business. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Wix website dashboard. Make sure you're logged into your account and you're working on the site where you want to add the coupon. This area is basically your command center. It's where you control everything from your site design to your sales. Now, once you're in your dashboard, look up at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a search bar just waiting to help you find anything quickly. Go ahead and click on that search area. Type in coupon and press enter. Searching this way is a little trick that saves you from having to dig through menus. Wix's dashboard has a ton of options, so using search is like having a shortcut right to the features you need. Next, you'll see a list of results. Look below in the dashboard section. You should see an option labeled Coupons. Click on that. This brings you right into the coupon management area, which is where you can create new coupons, see existing ones, and basically control how discounts work on your site. It's time for the fun part. Click the button that says New Coupon. This is where you'll actually set up your special offer. Now, Wix will prompt you to enter all the important details for your coupon. Take your time here, because each choice affects how your customers will use the code. First, type in the code name. This is what shoppers will enter at checkout, so try to keep it simple and memorable. For example, you might use Summer 20 if you're running a June sale, or Welcome 5 to give new shoppers a small reward. Next up is the discount amount. Decide whether you want to give a percentage off, like 10%, or maybe a fixed dollar amount, like $5 off. Remember, the discount you choose here can encourage customers to shop more or return to your store. They're more likely to use a coupon if it feels valuable. Then, choose where to apply the coupon. You might want it to work site-wide on all products, or maybe just on specific categories or items. This lets you target the areas you want to promote, like a new product launch or clearing out seasonal merchandise. If you're unsure, site-wide coupons tend to get the most use, but category-specific ones are great for strategic sales. Now, set the start and end dates for your coupon. This is important. Adding a time limit creates urgency and can nudge people to make a purchase sooner rather than later. If you want a flash sale, make it short and sweet. If you're running a long-term promo, give customers plenty of time. Finally, decide how many coupons you want to offer. Setting a limit, like 50 coupons, makes the offer exclusive and can add a little excitement since people know it could run out. But if you want everyone to be able to use it, you can leave the number open. Once you've filled in all the information and double-checked your choices, click Create. That's it. Your coupon is now live and ready for your visitors to use. And just like that, you've added a new tool to your website that can encourage sales and engagement. If you run into any issues, don't worry. Wix's Help Center is really robust, and you can always tweak your coupon if you want to change something later. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. This really helps the channel. Drop a comment below with any questions or if there's another Wix feature you'd like to learn about. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. See you in the next video.